Hey creators and e-commerce sellers. Today I'm showing you how to make pro-level product videos without a camera, crew, or studio, all thanks to Topview's Avatar 2. I'll walk through 3 real examples I made in minutes using nothing but Topview. From high-tech lawn tools to home furniture, Topview's Avatar 2 lets you showcase any product in action with zero shoot time. Let me tell you exactly how it works. Avatar 2 is Topview's newest feature, AI-powered avatars that demo your product in lifelike scenes using natural speech, hand gestures, and expressions. And the best part? It works for any type of product, not just handheld gadgets. In my first video example, the Devoco 5-piece patio furniture set, I uploaded a product photo, picked a cozy outdoor backdrop, and in minutes the AI avatar was walking viewers through the all-weather wicker design, the plush beige cushions, and the versatile layout options. It looks like a professionally staged patio shoot, but there was no camera, no crew, and no waiting for good weather. Just AI doing all the work. Let's watch the video fully finished.
If you want your patio to feel like a resort, the Devoco 5-piece patio furniture set is it. This all-weather wicker sectional is hand-woven, super durable, and comes with plush beige cushions that scream comfort. The glass top table is perfect for drinks or snacks, and you can arrange the pieces any way you like, morning coffee, backyard parties, you name it.
Now check this next video out, highlighting the Husqvarna TS146, a heavy-duty riding mower. The AI avatar presents the features, shows where it's used, and gives it a pro-level demo vibe that would normally cost hundreds to produce. And it only took me 10 minutes from start to finish.
If you're tackling a decent-sized yard, the Husqvarna TS146 is a solid pick. It has a 46-inch steel deck and 22 horsepower engine that handles thick grass without breaking a sweat. The hydrostatic transmission means smooth, pedal-controlled speed and cruise control that helps you maintain pace. With a high-back vinyl seat, anti-scalp wheels, and a tough steel hood, it's built for comfort and durability even on uneven terrain.
And finally, the next video that I created is for the cozy Holly Home fabric lazy chair. With a few clicks, the avatar is now in a home setting talking about comfort, armrests, and how it fits in small spaces. It's a perfect example of how brands, even furniture and lifestyle sellers, can bring their products to life.
If you're looking for a super cozy spot to relax, the Holly Home Lazy Chair might be it. It's roomy, soft, and comes with armrests perfect for reading, lounging, or just scrolling on your phone. The blue fabric gives it a chill, modern vibe, and it fits right into a bedroom, dorm, or living room without taking up a ton of space.
If you sell online, Amazon, Shopify, or do affiliate marketing, Topview's Avatar 2 can change your entire workflow. You don't need models, sets, lighting, or editors. Just your product, a script, and the AI does the rest. You can create multiple videos per day, not just one a week. Whether it's outdoor gear, home furniture, or power equipment, Topview's Avatar 2 lets you scale video content like never before. It's fast, it's simple, and honestly, life-changing. Let AI take over the heavy lifting so you can focus on strategy and growth. Thank you for watching. Hit like if this is something you want to try, and drop a comment if you want to see how I scripted each of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools that'll level up your e-commerce content, and get the link to Topview in the description below.